Righto, welcome back to the channel. I'm Josh, and on today's video we're going to do a two-part video, which is going to be on the installing the pans for the 65 Beetle, and part one is going to be me basically just cleaning up all the tunnel and getting that ready for the two halves to go on. Done a couple repairs on the tunnel as well that I wanted to tidy up before we started doing the pan halves. So yeah, those are ready to go, but I'm going to start you with part one, and then the next video will be part two, installing the pans. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Let's get that going, and let's start the video. Yeah, so today I'm gonna fill this hole in that someone's just absolutely butchered out, cut out for a bit of an access hole by the look of it. So I'm gonna fill that in. This part here I'm gonna cut out and actually make into a nice inspection plate sort of area, so I can get in and do all the clutch and brake and that sort of thing in there. Clean up the rest of these grinds, get those all nice and cleaned up, and get ready for these pans to go on next weekend. So that's where I'm at now. So this is where we're at now. So I've cut a piece out, a bit of sheet metal I've got here. So we're just gonna get this in there. It's a bit of an odd shape, so I'm trying to just trim it up to size so I can get it fit pretty nice and snug. Then I can weld that in, but the profile's not bad. A little bit more trimming, then we'll MIG weld that in. Should look pretty good. So there you go, that's ready to be welded in. I'm pretty happy with that. Get the MIG out and start welding. Right, so that's all MIG welded up. Now we're just going to give it a grind up and clean it all up, make it look good, spray some black on it. Happy days. Righto, we are done with that. I'll show you what I got up to. So that's that all welded in, ground that up, gave it a quick Orby, a bit 80 grit, and I'll probably just put a primer, a bit of sealer and a bit of black, and that's that little patch done. And then I'll cut this out nice and make a nice little inspection plate area for the pedal setup. I've seen a few people do that before, and I quite like that. It's a pretty good little way. I mean, it's better than butchering a hole saw through it like someone's done here in previous times. So, well,